Good morning, everyone. It is 27th of February here in Dubai. Beautiful Monday morning. Welcome to my house. Just received the FedEx package from Blue Water Yachts with all the goodies and new modification parts. So I thought I would make a quick video while unboxing it, and I will try to make another video while installing it. Hopefully it will be beneficial to all. Okay, let's start with the sail. This is an upgraded 180% Genoa. The original sail is a grade 3 Dacron. This is a grade 5 Dacron. Slightly heavier, but more durable. Anything more than this, heavier than this, is going to be just way too heavy for Mac. What else I can say? It's good for 26X and 26M. Here's the maker. Multitasker sails in California. Already opened it up. Very happy with the qualities. Can't wait to try it out. Okay. Some of you may already know I lost my original forestay. So what I did, I ordered an upgraded one. The original forestay is 1/8 of an inch, which I don't find it pretty strong, and I don't do any heavy sailing. So anyway, this one is a 3/16 of an inch cable. It's recommended by Blue Water Yachts. I think they're installing that one now on any new orders. So this is going to replace the main forestay, and the last forestay is going to act as a backup. And right now I have that one connected to just 12 inch above the first one. Just to a bracket. So what I did, I ordered this one, which you already have it on the original forestay. So this is going to go 12 inch above the first forestay, and this backup emergency forestay will be connected to this. You can also put a block on this and use it as a spinnaker if you want. I'm not a big fan of a spinnaker myself here. Okay, another one is the steering kit. This is the arm that comes out of your port side. All you have to do is just replace this one, and this is a quick release. There you are. And this will be connected to your engine. And once you release it, this will be there on the side to connect it and to keep your engine in the center. Okay. Nothing to say about this one, just a typical CDI furler. I already have one. It works. There's nothing wrong with it. I'm happy with it. But since I'm going to be sleeping on the couch for ordering all of this, so I thought I would just include the new one in there anyway. Besides, I didn't get anything for Christmas. And these are the extra halyard that comes with the new CDI. Okay, here we are halfway. We installed the steering kit, and we changed the Genoa. And now what we need to do, we need to bring the boat across so we can have access to the top of the mast without removing it, so we can drill for that extra hinge up there for the secondary forestay. Okay, here we are. Upgraded forestays up, brand new Genoa, and the backup safety forestays also connected to 12-inch up. And as you can see, it goes parallel with the main forestay, and it goes through a block and divides into two ropes. The reason I went with a line here is because I don't want to have very tight steel cable, otherwise it's going to snap and there's no flexibility. So this allows it to be flexible, and also if there's tension on the main forestay, then this one will expand to allow the main forestay to play around. At the same time, acts as a backup. So here we are. New flag is up also. The other one was too old. And now what we need to do is clean.
Ganyan yan mo, no?
Mga pangalan niya.